Right, hope that wasn't too cringe for everyone. Okay, so I actually quite enjoyed doing that. I'm going to do the next days because I was meant to do one yesterday and I didn't actually get around to doing it. So we're still on our daily maths workout, fluent in 5. We're doing week 22 and this time we're doing day 3, and that'll keep us at the right point, and then I'll try and do one every day, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so question number 1, we've got 76,264 and we're adding 41,898. Right, should really use a ruler, but times are hard. So 8 add 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 in the box, 1 on the doorstep. 9 add 1, add 6. I know this makes 10. Add the 6 is 16. So 6 in the box. The unit always goes in the box. And the tens number goes on the doorstep. So 1 on the doorstep. 8 add 2 is another number bond. That makes 10. Add the 1 is 11. 1 in the box, 1 on the doorstep. 6 add 1 is 8. 6, 7, 8. Let's put in the little thousands comma. And 7 add 4 is 9, 10, 11. No more maths to do, so I'm going to start off a new column. All right, and put the 11 straight in. So the answer is, remember, we're reading them in groups of 3. 118,000, here's my little thousands comma, 162. And that's your answer for question number 1. So in the meantime, I've managed to get a little board rubber, which is a flash wipe. Highly sought after these days. Okay, it's better than using my hand though. So question number 2. Oh, it's made the pen stop working. We've got 7 times 2, not good, times 4. Maybe my hand was better after all. Okay, 7 times 2 times 4. You can see that though, can't you? So this is a multiplication, a times. You can do it in any order. It's commutative. I'm sure that's the right word to use. Feel free to correct me if it's not. I'm just going to do it the way that it is written down. So I'm going to do 7 times 2. I'm going to do that bit first. I need an answer to that bit. That is 14. And then I'm going to do 14, the answer, times whatever's on the end. So I'm going to put it in a bit of a column. 14 times 4. I could probably do that mentally, but let's just work out a little bit more maths. I hope this hasn't gone off the screen. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 in the box, 1 on the doorstep. 1 times 4 is 4, add the 1 is 5. So the answer to that altogether is 56. Now, did you do it a different way? If you did, feel free to put it in the comments box below and I'll have a little look at the way you done it. Might all learn something from each other. Okay. Oh, maybe I am going to have to use that right after. Oh, bear with me. Okay. Right, the next one. Right, I love these. Some people get scared by them, but actually it reminds me of the song which is on YouTube. I think if you type in multiplying fractions by whole numbers, it comes up. It's very catchy. Okay, I always sing it. I'll not sing it now though and make you turn the video off. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we've got 4/5 times 3. So in fact, I'm going to have to sing it. So the song goes, multiply by the top, divide by the bottom. So we're going to do that bit first. Please go and check out the song. It's really catchy. It sticks in your head for ages. So 4 times 3, which is 12. 12 what though? 12/5. Okay. Now, if that was just your average fraction, a normal fraction, a proper fraction, I could just leave it like that, but it's not because it's an improper fraction. The top number is actually bigger than the bottom number. So I'm going to have to turn that into a mixed number by dividing by the bottom because this is the divide bar. So we're doing a divide in a fraction. How many 5s fit into 12? Well, 5, 10. I can fit 2. So there's 2 whole. And what's left over? 10, 11, 12. There's 2 left over. 2 what I hear you say? 2/5. So actually, as a mixed number, that fraction would be 2 and 2/5. 2 whole and 2/5. And that is the answer to question number 3. Right, what do I do for the best? Let's rub it very quickly. And then let's dry it off of my sleeve. There you go. Okay, question number 4. Haven't looked at this one yet. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's another one of those that my class, if they got picked out of the lolly stick part, would say, it's too easy, this one. So again, it is a mental question. Which strategies are you going to use to try and work this out as fast as possible? So this is an addition. You can do it in any order you want to. I'm going to start by this bit there. I know 9 add 2 is 11, so one more than 10. Add the 6 would take it to 17. Did you do it a different way? Please let me know if you did, and we'll have a little look. So let's keep the strategy. There we go. Okay, we've got question number 5, and this is the last one. I think we're getting even faster at doing this, or are we? I'm not sure until I upload the video. So we've got 2/3 add 3/12. Why can't I do it straight away? Well, because I can hear you all shouting the denominators are different. So we need to make the denominators the same before we can actually do the calculation, the addition of fractions. So to turn 3 into 12, I have to times it by 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Don't forget, if you do that to the bottom, you must also do it to the top. So whatever you do at the bottom, do it at the top. Let's do a little abracadabra here. 2 times 4 is 8. And 3 times 4 is 12. So we've got the denominators the same now. We can go ahead and do the addition. 8 add 3 is 11. And we keep the denominators the same. So that is 11/12. And that is all for Fluent in 5, your daily maths workout for today.